I'm back here with another video. We got the lift kit on. We got the 35s on. These the Overlanders MTs, rough country. And 35, 12.5 R22s. This is a GMC Denali. It's been raised 3.5 inches in the front, 3 inches in the rear. And we ran into a little problem. I don't know if this truck was a tow rig when whoever had it last, but the rear springs they're not holding up to capacity. So I went ahead and purchased these. These are some cheap, very cheap traction bar kit off eBay. I paid $224. That was shipped to the door. And I had to pre-assemble all the fasteners and all that. Still ended up having to go to Home Depot to get some more stuff because, of course, it's a cheap kit, so they shorten you on a couple of fasteners. I feel like there's supposed to be washers in certain places that they're not providing. They're not providing the washers. So yeah, it's a cheap kit off eBay. It's very heavy. The welding looks okay. In some places you can see where they welded it too hot or whatnot, and it burned through the metal. But we're gonna attempt to install this on the truck today, and it's gonna go right here, of course. And this kit, this bracket gets mounted to the U-joints. Essentially, this becomes the new retainer bracket at the bottom, and then you have this Heinz joint right here, bolt, whatever they call this, and it gets screwed into the back of this. And then the front of that goes to this bracket right here. I have it upside down right now, but that bracket gets installed on the actual body, the frame of the truck up here. So it's gonna be the new challenge right now, putting this on.